takes forever, I'll be chasing her again. The river through the valley, she was flowing wild and free. When I see those big green eyes, oh, I hope she marries me. She's got emerald eyes and I wanna make her mine. Oh, she sways and shakes, moves her body like a snake. She's a beauty, she's a queen, the best I've ever seen, and she stole my heart when I met her at the wedding.
Let's learn the wedding. It's choreographed by Lee Hamilton. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, high beginner level line dance. It has tags on the ends of walls 2, 5, and 8, a restart on wall 3 after 16 counts, and a restart on wall 7 after 24 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tags, the restarts, and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance all 9 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn the wedding. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a Charleston, so you're going to touch your right toe forward, step your right foot slightly back, touch your left toe back, and then step your left foot slightly forward. We're now going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you touch your right toe next to your left. You're now facing 9 o'clock, and you're going to flick your right foot to the right side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we are going to weave. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a jazz box cross. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just flicked our right, you're going to weave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to chasse to the right. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, together with your left, step your right foot to the right side. You're going to rock your left foot back and recover onto your right. We're now going to chasse to the left, stepping left foot to the left side, together with your right, step your left foot to the left side, and then rock your right foot back and recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're doing our chasse rock. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a V step. So we're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal, step your left foot into the left diagonal, step your right foot back, and then step your left next to your right. And then we're going to do a right rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts doing our V step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our Charleston. So it's touch, forward, step, back, step, forward, walk, walk, forward, touch, flick, weave, jazz box, cross, chasse to the right, rock back, recover, chasse to the left, rock back, recover, V-step out, out, and in, right rocking chair. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now, let's talk about the tags. The tags are going to happen on the ends of walls 2, 5, and 8. And the great thing is the tag is only 2 counts, and it's the same tag for all 3 walls. All we're going to do is stomp, stomp, right, left, and then you will continue on with the dance from there. So the first time we do it will be the end of wall 2. So you'll be facing 6 o'clock. You'll do your V step, and then your rocking chair, and then you'll add on your 2 stomps, right, left, ready to start over again to do your Charleston. Now, wall 3 is your first restart wall where you're going to dance 16 counts. So let's dance those 16 counts so that you know where it happens. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your Charleston, so it's touch, forward, step, back, touch, back, step, forward, walk, walk, quarter, touch, flick, weave, jazz, box, step. Right here, you are going to restart the dance. This will become wall 4. You'll dance wall 4 all the way through. You'll dance wall 5 all the way through. At the end of wall 5, you will add on your 2 stomp tag, stomp, stomp, and then you will continue on for wall 6. You'll dance wall 6 all the way through, and then on wall 7, you will dance 24 counts of the dance, which is up to your chasse rocks to both sides. So let's dance those 24 counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your Charleston, so it's touch, forward, step, back, touch, back, step, forward, walk, walk, quarter, touch, flick, weave, jazz, box, cross, chasse, rock back, recover, chasse, rock back, recover. And right here, you will restart for wall 8. You'll dance wall 8 all the way through, and you'll add on your 2 count tag, facing 12 o'clock, doing your stomp, stomp. Then wall 9 is your final wall of the dance. You will dance all the way up until your weave. And then instead of doing your jazz box cross, you're going to do a jazz box quarter turn. So you'll go cross, back, quarter, step, and that is how you will end facing 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance all 9 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transitions from the tags and restarts into the next wall, and you can also practice the ending. So weight is on your left. We're starting with our Charleston. So it's touch, forward, step, back, step, forward, walk, walk, quarter, touch, flick, weave, cross, side, behind, side, jazz, box, cross, chasse, rock back, recover, chasse, rock back, recover, step, rocking chair. This is your tag wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add your tag, stomp, stomp. 16 counts. Charleston, 2 walks, quarter touch, flip, weave, jazz box, restart, Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. At the end of this wall, you add on your tag. Charleston, 2 walks, quarter touch, flip, weave, cross, side, behind, side, jazz, box, cross, chasse, rock back, recover, chasse, rock back, recover, step, rocking chair, do your tag, stomp, stomp, Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 24 counts. Charleston, 2 walks, quarter touch with a flick, weave, cross, side, behind, side, jazz box, cross, chasse, rock back, recover, chasse, rock back, restart. At the end of this wall, you'll add on your tag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Now we're going to dance up to our jazz box where we make a turn. Charleston, 2 walks, quarter touch with a flick, weave, jazz box quarter turn to the front, and that is the whole dance. Now, an easy way to remind yourself about the tags and the restarts. The tags are always going to happen on the chorus, so when he says she's got emerald eyes, that part, you're going to do your tag. and the restarts are going to happen to 3 o'clock. So each time you will be starting the back wall, you'll dance to 3 o'clock where you'll add on your restart. They're just at 2 different points. The second restart is very easy to hear. You have a nice big warning. That first one, you can hear it coming, but as long as you remember on the back wall, I'm coming to the side, and then I'm going to add on my restart, then you will kind of remember where things happen in the dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn the wedding. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
She's got it.